Imagine that the moon, that luminous friend who watches over us every night from the sky, might not be what it seems. What if I told you that some believe the moon is not a solid rock, but a giant hollow shell? This theory, known as the hollow moon hypothesis, suggests that our satellite is actually an artificial structure, carefully and meticulously designed. Veteran astronauts and some alternative scientists claim there are undeniable signs of its artificiality. From the curious echo that returns when we send sound signals to its surface, to the mysterious lights that flash on its hidden side. These flashes, like in a science fiction story, fuel speculation that the moon could be an outpost for extraterrestrial civilizations. Paranormal researchers, those who snoop around the less illuminated corners of science, even compare this theory to lost civilizations and ancient legends. Like sleeping giants, these theories whisper that the moon was once home to an alien consciousness. Doesn't that sound like a movie script? Cosmic soldiers? Invisible guardians watching from their celestial base. Some ancient records suggest that the moon hasn't always been there, that it settled in its place millennia ago. Ancient cultures included in their myths accounts of how a bright object suddenly appeared in the sky, influencing everything we know. You should know that the idea of the hollow moon defies logic and traditional knowledge. But there are those who insist that the unusual geological features of the moon are too strange to be explained by conventional theories. Its low density, oddly shallow craters, and the surprising phenomenon of resonance when something hits its surface suggest an interior void, like hitting the hollow part of a giant drum. These observations even led the United States Space Agency in 1969 to describe the moon as rather peculiar. Doesn't that at least deserve to pique our curiosity? Finally, imagine that every time you look up at the sky and see the moon, that cold reflection could be watching back at you. Perhaps the aliens are there, observing us throughout the millennia like a silent and unknowable force. If we soar beyond the irrational, we might wonder, what secrets does this white shell hold? The moon, so familiar yet so enigmatic, retains a mysticism that resists any attempt at a definitive explanation. Some suggest it's no coincidence that so many UFO stories and strange lights have occurred under its pale glow. The next time you look up, perhaps you'll wonder what stories the moon could tell if we disturb its ancestral silence. To access more content like this, subscribe to the channel and don't miss what's coming next.